Hi there guys, in this video we're gonna talk about session expired Facebook. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. We're gonna help you with a simple steps to get up and fix this problem. First thing what you need to do, you need to get off from your Facebook session, then you need to go on your Play Store and type for Facebook. Here you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook. If you don't have it, you're gonna have that chance on your right side with the green side like section which will say update. You need just to tap on it and then it will brings you automatically to that updating section on Facebook. Right after you get up your latest version of Facebook, you need to get up from here. You need to go to your settings on your phone. You need to select applications, go for manage application on the second selection. On the search box you need to type for Facebook, or if it's right here you need just to get up on the application side. Right after here you need to go and uninstall the application and then you need to reinstall it again. But if you are on your iPhone, you will have the chance just by one click to get at automatically session by installing and reinstalling right now. It will says offload application. This is the option or the feature in your iPhone, but you need to make sure that you have iPhone. If you don't have it, you need to follow my steps because it's not the same process. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.